How much is carpet cleaning in Doncaster? The answer to how much is carpet cleaning in Doncaster is £40 for the first carpet, then half price after that on the same visit. This is the standard price for carpet cleaning services by Doncaster Carpet Cleaners. Carpet cleaning prices vary from firm to firm, but remember, higher prices do not always mean a better carpet clean. But at the other end of the scale, very cheap carpet cleaning prices are sometimes an indication that the carpet cleaner is not going to use the very best products on your carpet, and perhaps not the best hot water extraction machine either, potentially leaving your carpets wet, which can lead to bad smells and mould. When you are unsure about the qualifications of a carpet cleaner, and there are many that are just not qualified at all, just ask if they are members of an association. The National Carpet Cleaners Association is the main body for carpet cleaners in the UK. Using the wrong carpet cleaning products on your carpet can actually destroy them. Some carpet cleaners use high alkali products on every carpet. This can destroy your carpets. It may look clean right away, but there will be damage that leads you to replacing the carpet much earlier than needed. So to sum up the question, how much is carpet cleaning in Doncaster? Just ask to see the qualifications, or look at the NCCA website.